YouTube. This is how bad Nashville traffic has gotten. It's tarping up this load. Alright, man. Now, to me, I believe Western Express is a wonderful company. Well, I don't know, I haven't been to other companies, but I believe that the hate that they get is for people who really didn't get a try. And one thing that did it with me too is going on YouTube and listening to other people who haven't had any experience in the trucking industry, so they don't know what it is. This shit not easy, especially not flatbed. You're gonna have a lot of gripes. You're gonna have to go through a lot of growing pains, learning time. It's a whole different world out here, but it is much to love about it, and you gotta find your niche. Other than that, it's changing my life. This is the most money I'll ever make. You know what I mean? Even if this is the lowest paying company, this is the most money I'll ever make. I'm picking up another trailer. About to skedaddle and go home. Oof, I've been making some impossible backs. Can't wait to go home. I did 2,100 something miles. I'm gonna do another little too, so that's about to be like 2,400. My truck about to look good. Always help each other, man, because that back and shit is hard as hell. I'm not gonna lie to you. Look, man, I'm so proud. I'm number 5 in miles leaders. I had 2,372 miles this week. So that paycheck about to be crazy. I've seen him in North Carolina. Exactly why you need to go to Planet Fitness. Like stuff, like mistakes that you'll make. You'll wonder like why your air brakes keep on popping out or something. This is when you gotta revert back to school and build up your air pressure. You feel me? So some things in school it will be useful to remember. I bought this strap roller off of Amazon. It was about $20. I have put it together. It was pretty easy and it works pretty good. It worked too, man. I bought this bar off of Amazon as well. I'm doing this shit real quick. I'm really becoming savage. And look how perfectly rolled this is. One thing that you never want to do with this truck driving shit, and I done fucked up before. I done got into an accident by doing this, by being lazy. Beautiful view of Philadelphia. I like coming here, they really help you here.
How does 70 feel to you? It feel warm? It feel hot?
And I'm happy because when you're doing flatbed, it's going to be hard as hell in the cold. Like
right.
You don't want to do shit.
Right.
So it's going to be much easier as the weather gets warmer.
You feel like you enjoy your days more?
Oh yeah, nicer? I'm going to enjoy my days way more.
You're right.
Places in Virginia, they got a fitness center in here. Got a barbershop. So right here, I only did 2 loads, so I got about $969 that week. I did about 1,730 miles, but it was I don't know. But for this week, I made $1,519. So that's $1,500. So people talk about you can't make money at Western Express is a fucking, I mean, it's a damn lie. You know what I mean? Like, I'm living proof. I'm showing you, you can't make money regional.